Hello everyone and welcome back to Anne's Kitchen. In today's video we are making chili garlic noodles. Let's begin. So first, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add half a green chili and 2 small onions. One and a half tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. Cook this until the onions are nice and translucent. Now I am adding 1 small carrot finely chopped, cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. After that I am adding half a capsicum, give it a good mix and make sure you are not overcooking the veggies. Now I am adding half a cup of cabbage. You could use veggies of your choice. Also, I have pre-boiled my noodles. That means I have already boiled my noodles. That is a very easy process, and if you want to know how to do that, you can check out my pasta recipes. In the same way, you can boil the noodles. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of pepper. Two teaspoons of white synthetic vinegar. A quick mix. Two and a half tablespoons of red chili sauce. You could increase or decrease it according to your choice. One and a half tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And give a good mix. Now I am adding 1 cup of boiled noodles. Mix using 2 forks. That will make your process easier. adding salt to taste. And these are done. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.